Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix account storage full error on Gmail. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are getting this error where you are told you might not be able to send or receive emails to continue using Gmail, clean up space or get more storage, then there are quite a number of steps you need to take to free up space and be able to send and receive emails on your Gmail. Now to do this, first you need to go to your smartphone and just go to gallery, and you can do so by just going through your phone and clear images and videos that you no longer want to use. Once you are done, now you need to go to this app called Google Photos. So I'll go to Google Photos on my Android smartphone. Here it is. Open it. Now if you open your Google Photos, you will see similar photos that you had just deleted. That means that they were backed up in Google Photos. You will also need to delete the same photos. So the reason why you are experiencing this error is because you have hit the 5 GB limit of cloud space or free storage that normally comes with each and every Gmail account. So when your files are backed up to your Gmail account, they eat up a huge space of this, and if you are experiencing this error, it means that the space is full. So you'll also need to delete similar photos or the ones that you no longer need here on your Google Photos account. So I can just do this by just selecting also here, and after I've selected, I just click on trash here to delete them and then confirm. Now once you have finished deleting this from Google Photos, and it is important to target those huge files, more especially videos that might be eating a chunk or a huge part of your space. Once you are done, now you should go back to your email. Now if I go back to my Gmail account and open it, now you can see I no longer have that error. So that's how you can fix storage full error on your Gmail account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.